This is a short video on an onion stuffed pork loin. You brine for 24 hours, adding basil salt, which looks like this. After you slit along the whole pork loin, not through the ends, just a slit, make a cavity there, fill it full of onions, let it brine for 24 hours with a bunch of this in it. Just pull it out, put it onto a tin tray, bake it for an hour and a half at 350, and it turns out like this. Look how juicy that is. Oh my gosh, this was fantastic. Give it a try. Onion stuffed basil salt pork loin. Can't go wrong. Like and subscribe. I'm virtually a chef.